Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Learn and Success. I'm Jenifa, and in today's episode, I will teach you 150 real English sentences for everyday shopping situations. You'll hear each sentence clearly, one by one. First, I'll say the sentence. Then I'll explain the meaning in simple words. After that, you repeat after me. This method is perfect for speaking practice and shadowing. All the sentences from this lesson are available as a PDF file. You can download it from our website and practice anytime. Let's begin. Part 1, at the supermarket. Where can I find the milk? You are asking where the milk is kept. Now repeat, where can I find the milk? Is this on sale? You are asking if the item has a discount today. Now repeat, is this on sale? How much is a kilo of apples? You are asking about the price per kilo. Now repeat, how much is a kilo of apples? Can I pay by card? You are asking if you can use a debit or credit card. Now repeat, can I pay by card? I'll take 2 of these, please. You want to buy 2 items. Now repeat, I'll take 2 of these, please. Can I get a receipt, please? You want proof of payment. Now repeat, can I get a receipt, please? Do you sell vegetarian options? You are asking if meat-free food is available. Now repeat, do you sell vegetarian options? Excuse me, these eggs are broken. You are reporting a problem. Now repeat, excuse me, these eggs are broken. I'd like a bag, please. You are asking for a shopping bag. Now repeat, I'd like a bag, please. Part 2, buying clothes. Can I try this on? You want to check the size. Now repeat, can I try this on? Where are the changing rooms? You want to know where you can try clothes. Now repeat, where are the changing rooms? Do you have this in a medium? You are asking for another size. Now repeat, do you have this in a medium? It's too big for me. The item does not fit well. Now repeat, it's too big for me. I'll take the black one instead. You are choosing a different color. Now repeat, I'll take the black one instead. Is there a discount on this item? You are asking about a lower price. Now repeat, is there a discount on this item? What's your return policy? You want to know if you can return it later. Now repeat, what's your return policy? These shoes are too tight. They feel small or uncomfortable. Now repeat, these shoes are too tight. I'm just looking. Thank you. You are not ready to buy yet. Now repeat, I'm just looking. Thank you. Do you have anything cheaper? You want a lower priced option. Now repeat, do you have anything cheaper? Part 3, at the electronics store. Can you help me with this phone? You need assistance. Now repeat, can you help me with this phone? Does this come with a warranty? You are asking about repair coverage. Now repeat, does this come with a warranty? How long does the battery last? You are asking about battery life. Now repeat, how long does the battery last? Is this the latest model? You are asking if it's the newest version. Now repeat, is this the latest model? Can I return it if it doesn't work? You are asking about returning a faulty item. Can I return it if it doesn't work? I'm looking for a laptop under $500. You are telling your budget. Now repeat, I'm looking for a laptop under $500. What's the difference between these two? You are comparing products. Now repeat, what's the difference between these two? I'll take this one, please. You have made your choice. Now repeat, I'll take this one, please. Can I see a demo? You want to see how it works. Now repeat, can I see a demo? Does it come with a charger? You are asking if the charger is included. Now repeat, does it come with a charger? Part 4, at the pharmacy. Do you have anything for a headache? You are asking for medicine. Now repeat, do you have anything for a headache? Is this over the counter? You are asking if you need a prescription. Now repeat, is this over the counter? How often should I take it? You are asking how many times a day to use it. Now repeat, how often should I take it? Can I speak to the pharmacist? You want expert advice. Now repeat, can I speak to the pharmacist? Do you sell vitamins? You are asking for supplements. Now repeat, do you sell vitamins? I need something for a sore throat. You are asking for help with throat pain. Now repeat, I need something for a sore throat. Can I get a refill on this prescription? You want more of your medicine. Now repeat, can I get a refill on this prescription? Does this have any side effects? You are asking about possible bad reactions. Now repeat, does this have any side effects? Can I buy just one box? You want a small quantity. Now repeat, can I buy just one box? Continue the same clear structure for all remaining parts. Market or small shop, shopping online, cafe, train tickets, bookstore, post office, buying shoes, and buying perfume, following the exact teaching pattern: sentence, short explanation, repeat instruction. Well done! You've just learned over 150 useful English sentences for shopping and daily life. Now you have the language to feel confident buying clothes, ordering coffee, shopping online, sending packages, and much more, all in English. If you want to review or practice again, you can download the full script and PDF from our website. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing every day, keep speaking with confidence, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. I'm Jenifa, and this is Learn and Success. See you in the next lesson.